Hi everyone. I wanted to show you a few updates I made to the course. So now you're going to see a little note on the announcement page. It says, below you will find all of your announcements for the entire course. The week you should be working on will be highlighted in green. Just click on the green link to see what you should be working on this week. Remember though, if you are doing both pre-calculus A and B this summer, you will be moving through the course at a quicker pace. You will be following the alternate pacing guide. So this is, if you look, this is what you saw last week, but now you can see here at the top, I have put in a Google slide of all of the weeks of this course. And you can see that since we're in week 2, it's been highlighted in green. So if you click on that, this is going to show you all of the assignments that you need to do this week to stay on pace. Now I'm going to make this a little larger because I would like to speak to something at the bottom. So this week, you're doing sections 1.6 through 1.10, and I give you some comments on what you're going to be doing in those sections. And then at the very end of this week, you should be taking the Chapter 1 test. And this is important. It says you must take pictures of your work anytime you take a chapter test and submit using the link in Blackboard. And I want to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go back up and click on the Chapter 1 link. And if you've gone through some of the other sections, you know this is where you find your guided notes to fill out, and there's other little tidbits in there. Notice here is the link in red, the Chapter 1 test. So if you go ahead and click on this link, here are some test instructions. The chapter test will be completed using WebAssign, but you are also required to upload your written work for each test question to earn full credit. So like I was saying, you do the test and you do the test. You're going to show your work on paper. You put your answers in WebAssign, and it is going to grade it for you. And then I have to transfer the grades into Blackboard. But I won't do that unless you submit your work. So what you do is you click on this link. After you've taken pictures of your work, please get them on your laptop or your desktop, whatever you're using, and then you go here to browse your computer, and then you select any and all images that you need to submit, and then you just submit. Then I will be notified. I can look over your work in conjunction with what you've done in WebAssign, and then I'll manually put your grades into the grade book. For example, if I show you what I get to see, my grade book looks different than your grade book because I see all of you that are in the course, and I can see all of your grades. And when I see little marks like this, or if I click on needs grading, you'll see that I have assignments from many of you that I need to grade. So hopefully that'll help get you started, and you'll be a little more comfortable, and you'll know what I'm expecting from you for each chapter test that you take, and the final as well. So I will not put that chapter test in until you've submitted your work in the Blackboard link. At any time, if you have questions, just message me or text me and let me know. Thanks.